Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel subscription on PolyBuzz AI. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a subscription on PolyBuzz AI. So cancellation depends on whether you of course originally subscribed. So PolyBuzz confirms that your premium benefits remain available until the end of the current billing period after cancellation. Keep that in mind as it's a good thing. Now, in the bottom side of the screen, we have, as you can see, 5 options. You need to go to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon there. Now here, as you can see, we have subscriptions. I have subscriptions, as you can see, I have 0, and I have 0 subscribers and 0 subscriptions. Now, of course, if you want to go and subscribe basically to a person, if you of course want to upgrade and subscribe to the application itself, as you can see, we have Poly Ultimate, Poly Premium, and Poly Basic. You can go and click on subscribe to go in one of these and of course pay a certain amount of money to get the subscription. And then when you have the subscription, you can of course go to the same place here and cancel it, or go to settings in the top right corner, where of course you can then go and also click on your account and cancel the subscription. But that's firstly how you can actually go and get the subscription. But of course, here when you go to a person, you can of course go to these chats here and you can subscribe to a person here also. And as you can see, we have chat, and of course you can also have the people subscribing to you in the chats here if you're active, and then your subscriber count will of course jump there. And of course, if you want to cancel that, subscribing to somebody, click on here, you'll see subscriptions here, and then you can click on the subscription button to unsubscribe to a person. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, until next time, as always, bye guys.